do you think the Greens blocking the new housing affordability scheme pushed by the government is an example of the Greens blocking something that's good in order to attain something that they regard as perfect? Isn't something better than nothing?
Thanks for the question. Look, the first point to make is Labor's Housing Australia Future Fund, which is, I imagine, what you're referring to, could well be nothing. So you've heard a lot in the media about the fact that it's this $10 billion housing fund. That's not what it is. It's $10 billion that they want to gamble on the stock market via the government's future fund and only spend the returns on housing. Now, last year, the Future Fund lost 1.2%, so it would have lost $120 million, and we would not have seen a cent in funding. Our point to the government is you do not fund schools or hospitals via this sort of funding mechanism that may actually lose money in a given year. And right now, there is a shortage in this country of 640,000 social and affordable homes. 640,000. Even in the best case scenario, at the end of Labor's 5-year plan, there'll be more people waiting for social housing, over 700,000. There'll be millions of renters who will have no protection at all because Labor's plan has nothing for renters. And what we've said to the government is we're willing to negotiate in good faith, but we want to be able to guarantee money every year, billions of dollars to be invested in public and affordable housing, and have real action for renters so that those renters right now, thinking about that next rent increase that may see them sleeping in their car, have actually a light at the end of the tunnel. And in a wealthy country like this, where a budget can find $300 million for the stage 3 tax cuts, we think they can find a few $1 billion a year to invest in housing in the middle of the worst housing crisis we have seen in generations.
Sure.